Hey guys, Skateboard Studio is back for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install an indoor TV antenna. And the antenna I got, it's I don't know if you can see it, but it's a Onn TV antenna I picked up at Walmart over a year ago for 10 bucks. It's a pretty decent antenna. It gets a decent amount of channels and stuff. The only con is it always keeps falling down. So I had to tape it down. So far it's doing an okay job with it. I've used command strips and even these hooks, but it still falls down no matter what. However, if you don't want to pay like expensive cable bills like Dish Network or DirecTV or Xfinity, this is a good way to save on some cash and get some free local channels. A disclaimer: depending on where you live, you might not pick up as many channels with an indoor TV antenna compared to an outdoor. Like if you live in a farm or rural area, you might want to opt for a outdoor antenna, depending on where you live between cities. However, if you live directly in the city or near like in a suburb, you might be able to get these channels if you're not anywhere near like trees or big buildings. However, I'll show you how to install it. So you grab your coax cable right here, which is pretty long, about 6 feet. Sorry, just trying to drop some stuff. You grab this. I have a booster thing on the side of my TV right here. You want to screw it into that port of your TV. That's where the cable goes. So you want to take this and screw it into the booster if you have it. You screw it in there. I'll do it right now. You always want to make sure you get it nice and tight. Otherwise, you will probably not get as much channels. So once you get that in, you turn on your TV. Which I do have a Roku. Also a good way to cut on cable for streaming. You go to your TV. It's already installed. So I'm just pulling up the menu real quick. Okay, sorry for that delay. I was looking to find the setting for it. So you'd want to go to your setting for antenna and you'd want to switch it from cable to antenna. And you go down to auto programming. You click that, press OK. Okay, so I'm halfway through the channel search and I'm up to 14 digital channels. Analog, you would have to get like an analog box for like if you had an older TV, like box TV, you would plug it in and that's where you'd get the analog at. So right now I'm at 14, 17 now, which is a lot. It's pretty good for channels. Now at 22. I'll be back in a minute. All right, so the channel search is almost done and I've came across 74 channels. Which is actually pretty decent, especially for a TV antenna, but a disclaimer, not all of these channels are gonna be either great or the best or come in the best. So now these are the channels. I'm gonna flip through them to show you what I found. Now they're playing football. I'm getting all the basic TV stations in my area. Cozy's coming in nice. And even at my work, they have a TV antenna in the break room to get free channels so they don't have to pay for a cable box or satellite. But thus far, all of them are coming in nice and crystal clear. And for 10 bucks, it does pretty decent compared to a $75 outdoor antenna, I should say. Well, I'm probably lying there. They never would cost that much. I mean, more than a 75-mile one that you'd stick up on the roof. But when you do get these flat ones, you always want to make sure you stick them high up on the window. Otherwise, you won't get as good as reception. And always make sure it's near a window, because if it's not near a window, you're not going to get any signal or pick up any. But just scrolling through these, finding a lot of good channels in here that are coming in nice and crystal clear. And then again, yeah, not bad for $10. If you're wanting to look to cut the cord, this is a good way to go. You know, the one disclaimer is you will not get like cable programs like TBS, TV Land. You won't get like Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network, Disney Channel, or ESPN. The only channels you'll get through the antenna are ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, and C&W. However, with this, you can get a decent amount of channels and not have to pay any monthly bills or anything. Hit me up on any more electronic stuff I can show you guys. I can do a video on my Roku and show you how to install that. Just let me know in the comments down below. Have a great night, guys. Skateboard Studios.